Basic structure encapsulation in Lucene. Now we are focusing on basic structure encapsulation. Basic component encapsulation is foundation of Lucene. Now we are focusing on Lucene documents. org.apache.lucene.document provides a simple document class. A document is simply a set of named fields whose values may be strings or instances of reader. Here you can see a term incident matrix. The term document incident matrix is what maps a term to the documents that hold the given term. Simply put, it is a two-dimensional matrix where the column represent the name of the book and the new row represent the terms involved. Here you can see a term incident matrix, books, and here the terms. We can consider org.apache.lucene.document package, the logical representation of a document for indexing and searching. As an example too, we can consider this code segment. Here the class document. Documents are the unit of indexing and search. This is in package org.apache.lucene.document. Here you can see the field. Field is a section of a document. Each field has three parts: name, type, and value. Fields may be text, values may be text, string reader, or p-analyzed token stream, binary, byte array, or numeric number. Fields are optionally stored in the index so that they may be returned with hits on the document. Here we are considering a document and indexable field in package org.apache.lucene.document. The document is a collection of indexable fields. An interface indexable field, which is in the package org.apache.lucene.index, represents a single field for indexing. Index writer consumes the iterable index field as a document. An index field is a logical representation of a user content that needs to be indexed or stored. Indexable fields have a number of popular properties that tell Lucene how to treat the content, like index, tokenized, stored, etc. Note, it is common to refer documents having fields even though technically they have indexable fields. Now we are considering working with docs, working with documents. The class date tools in package org.apache.lucene.document. The date tools is a utility class to make dates and times searchable. First and foremost, the document is something created by a user application. It is your job to create documents based on the content of the files you are working with your application: Word, text, PDF, Excel, or any other format. How this is done is completely up to you. That being said, there are many tools available in other projects that can make the process of making a file and converting it into a Lucene document. The date tool is utility class to make dates and times searchable. Int point, long point, float point, and double point enable indexing of numeric values and also dates for fast range queries using point range query. As an example, we can consider illegal argument exception. If the field name, value, or type is null, or the field's type is indexed, in the constructor public field string name byte array value indexable field type in class field. As an error example, we can consider this error occurred in the environment with Confluence. Indexing fails for content created by LDAP users with null full name. Here you can see a get error, this extracting search fields from attachment, etc. and the value cannot be nulled. Java.lang.null point exception value cannot be nulled, and at org.apache.lucene.document field, etc. Now we are focusing on Lucene util tools. Org.apache.lucene.util contains a few handy data structures and util classes, that is fixed bit set and priority queue. Here we can consider package org.apache.lucene.util. This is some utility classes. As an example 2, we can consider this class query builder. Create queries from the analyzer chain. Here, for create boolean query. Create a boolean query from the query text. This is the field, and this is the query text. Here the create a price query from query text. This is the field and this is the price query. Here create a minimum should match query from the query text. This is the field name, and this is text to be passed to the analyzer, and this is the of the query terms 0 to 1 inclusive that should match. And this query build is in the package org.apache.lucene.util. As an example 3, we can consider class bit, this code segment, and the class fixed bit set. A bit set of fixed length number of bits backed by the accessible get bits long accessed with an index, implementing bits and doc id set. If you need to manage more than 2.1 bits, use long bit set. This is in the package org.apache.lucene.util. As an example 4, we can consider class priority queue T. A priority queue maintains a partial ordering of its elements such that least element can always be found in the constant time. Puts and pops require log size time, but the remove cost implemented here is linear. This in package org.apache.lucene.util. As an exception example, we can consider class thread interrupted exception thrown by Lucene on detecting that thread.interrupt had been called. Unlike Java's interrupted exception, this exception is not checked. This is in package org.apache.lucene.util. As an error example, we can consider this occurred in the environment Lucene 6 and build.py package. Here you can see command java c -x max errors 10,000 etc. And here you can see failed an error package org.apache.lucene.util does not exist import org.apache.lucene.util string helper etc.